Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to get right ahead into this tutorial. It is my twist out. I've started with conditioned and detangled hair. Products that I will be using for this tutorial is the Lotta Body setting lotion that I've put into another bottle and the Shea Moisture's Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. Ooh, that was a mouthful, child. It's from the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil line. I decided that I wanted a middle part because I kind of wanted the twist, my hair to just kind of hang that way with the middle part once I took it down. So I just parted it straight down the middle and I will be twisting all around the sides. I twist away from my face instead of towards because I like that it gives it a little extra volume and I like the way it hangs better. So twist away from your face. Once it's all twisted, I am now going to sit up underneath the dryer, my least favorite part of doing my hair, and I stay under the dryer for about an hour. Now this is where it gets tricky and you have to be extra careful when you're taking down your twist out after either air drying for a day or so and sitting under the hair dryer. This is actually probably 2 days later. So I sat underneath the dryer and I left the twist in for 2 days. And so I'm taking a little bit of the coconut oil on my fingers and just untwisting the hair. Now, you do that without creating like any frizziness or anything. That's what the oil is for. And I'm also very, very carefully taking the strands apart from the other. Once it was all taken down, I fluffed with my fingers and used a pick to lift the roots, sprayed a little finishing spray on it, and that's it. I don't have any pictures right after, but you can style it and wear it for about a week and a half. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. Until next time, bye-bye.